5 paragraphs.
Yes.
Yep.
Yes. So you need more. You need more of the library. And then, so how big is the screen?
The screen is a tall picture.
No, they are. In fact, the salt has a broad closure. It's only underneath that we see this, and so we don't actually have any problems, or haven't had any problems in publishing such data if we seek the data owner's permission. You can see the quality of the 3D here, and these surfaces, which are from the Cenozoic at the top all the way to the reservoir, which is the light green reflector at the base, which is the Rotliegend, and the salt, that's the upper Permian, is in here, and you can see how one dolomitic layer has been severely folded. That's that layer there in 3D now. If you've got, you've got glasses on, you can now see the 3D image of that rather complex structure, folded structure. But if we went to the top of the salt, the red horizon, you wouldn't know that this deformation were there. So that's the 3D geometry of the top of the salt. And if we go below the salt, let's have a look at the reservoir section, which is of course the main field. This field was originally inverted commas discovered in 1988, but the operator left because they thought it's not the carboniferous target we thought it was going to be. It's a thin Rotliegend, a little bit of gas in there, and they walked away. A different company came in, and one of the really fortunate things that we have is, so this is an unusual story that a few years ago we were given access to Common Data Access, which is the release of well and seismic data for academic purposes. And so we're able to, and Rachel is absolutely incredible doing this, locating, downloading, reloading, and then interpreting 3D data sets from the North Sea and other areas. So this is the 6th largest gas field in the southern North Sea. Talk about rejuvenating a basin. This was found in 2010-11. Now provides 18% UK gas needs. And yet it was in an area where... and actually found that was gas bearing. But then decided to drill the next blocks around, and this structure has got bigger and bigger and bigger, such that the 3D that they shot in the purple box does not even cover the whole of the field. A new 3D has had to be shot over this. This is called the Cygnus discovery. It's online now, producing the gas, as I say, but actually opened up a new play fairway on the northern margin of the southern Permian Basin, the mirror image of the play that has worked to the south. But the dogma was that the northern margin was shale onlapping onto carboniferous. In fact, there's a sand lining the northern part of the basin, which opens up the whole of the northern flank as a possibility as a play fairway, one that was not recognised by anyone until this well was drilled. And it's almost serendipitous because they originally drilled for a carboniferous target, not a Rotliegend, one above the unconformity. They were looking below the unconformity, and the result is Cygnus, which we're fortunate enough to have the data for to be able to understand it. Now, in addition, why is this structure formed, where it has, when it has? So we've got this perfect combination of the play fairway and a fold created post-Permian in this area. So you've got a huge periclinal closure with the play fairway running through it. If you had closure without the fairway, or fairway without the closure, it wouldn't be as big as this. So, beautiful piece of work.
I see this right here at the bottom.